Yeah. No, not yet, sir. Lovely, doesn't it now?
Yeah.
20 gallons of petrol, isn't it? 200 TDI won't do it. That's enough, mate, Doug. Gotta kill it, mate.
Alright, go on!